Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Bajaj EMI card for cash easy method. Open the Bajaj FinServe app and sign in, then select your EMI card. Choose cardless cash, enter the amount you need, and confirm with the OTP sent to your phone. Note the cash code and visit the nearest partner ATM or outlet to withdraw funds quickly and securely using that code and your ID. Choosing the right amount matters for fees and repayment. First, check your available EMI card limit in the app so you know how much you can request. Enter an amount that fits within the cardless cash limits and your monthly budget to avoid unexpected declines. Remember that smaller withdrawals can reduce interest impact and help you plan repayments more comfortably while keeping your credit options intact. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more quick guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control, which makes home chores easier after cash withdrawals and errands. Check the description for the product link and other deals that might help streamline your routine. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When you have the cash code, go to a partner ATM or a designated merchant to redeem it. At the machine or cashier, input the cash code and present a valid ID for verification. Confirm the transaction amount before accepting the cash and always collect a receipt for your records. This helps resolve any disputes and keeps your expense tracking accurate for future EMI planning and budgeting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.